Toulouse belly fat. Armani dangereux en ineffective Jamie Kabou Toulouse belly fat. Will trino magique bullet à will target abdominal fat in particular, qui article will explain wa cause en expanding waistline ou quand maquetas partir go away. Yat breakfast. It might seem counterproductive to yet if you're trying to lose weight, but study show yatin breakfast with an hour of walking, up keeps your insulin level steady en your LD et le cholestérol level low. De compresse. Research indicate that secretion of cortisol, a hormone your body produce during time of stress, is correlated with an increase in belly fat. Some strategy for combating everyday stress. Most people need a list set of sleep every night. Set aside time to relax. Even if you only 15 minutes on your lunch break, find time to simply close your eye, breathe deeply, and forget your worry. Keep anything that stress you away from or you sleep as much as practically possible. Keep your workspace and bedroom separate. Resolve to leave your worry blind as soon as you step into your bedroom. 1 to take 10,000 steps a day. In a studio Herman reduced 30 steps from a 10,000 to less than 1,500, oui to change in visceral, belly, fat increased by 7% after just 2 weeks. Jet a peu d'ometé en 3 to increase the number of day steps you take. Take stair instead of elevator, walk instead of driving. Stand up and walk for 30 steps every 30 minutes. If you have a sedentary job, consider getting a treadmill desk. Switch out of vinaigre for whole grain. In a scientific study, people WHO at all whole grain, in addition to 5 serving of fruits and vegetables, 3 serving of low-fat dairy, and 2 serving of lamb, fish, or poultry, lost more belly fat tant à noter groupe tat te samedi, buit al vinaigre. Grain melt fat. A rich in whole grain change te glucose en insulin response in your body to a stent melting of fat, en visceral fat, ta display of fat, easy for your body to burn tant subcutaneous fat under your skin, te fat ta combustion en grabed. Avoid wheat grain. For instance, yat brown wheat bread instead of processed wheat bread, en favor will brown rice over wheat rice. Drink plenty of water. Study suggest that consistently drinking water through good day can lead to a more active metabolism, regardless of eating. Drinking more water also help your body flush out waste bar oblique toxin and improve your overall health. 1 to drink en 8 oz. Glass of water 8 times per day, or 64 ounces total. Carry a water bottle to le sota you can drink whenever you feel thirsty. Know to tell when you're sufficiently hydrated. You'll know you're drinking enough water when your urine run almost clear. If it's still yellow, drink up. Significantly reduce alcohol, sugary drink, like Coke, 7up, Pepsi en alt diet drink, en carbonated beverage. Exercise in small burst. Research show interval training, or alternating short burst of energy with brief resting period, can improve muscle and build endurance more quickly than traditional exercise. Skipped crunch, for no. Abdominal crunch en CUPS would build strong muscle, but you might know the theme under belly fat. In fact, crunch might actually make your stomach look big you be luptic rab. Instead, if you strengthen your back muscle, your posture will improve and pull in your belly. Ramp up the cardio. Do aerobic exercise which get your ear pumping, burn calorie quickly and facilitate fat loss all over the body, including your belly. You can spot burn belly fat, but usually the first to burn off when you exercise, regardless of body shape or size. Time your mile. Track your progress by timing how long it take to run a mile. A cardiovascular stamina improve, you'll notice the time going down. Correct transplant. If you get painful transplant, pain à long front of your chin when you run, you move pronating, landing with most of your weight on to the side of your foot. Terarche de zaigné specifically to il palleviatoti. Don't overdo it. Star with tre cardio work. Pushing yourself are every day de and allow your body en ultime to recover en bilup muscle, en coldly to injury. Add de resistance training. A 2006 study published in International Journal of Sport Nutrition Exercise Metabolism suggest that combining cardiovascular aerobic exercise with resistance training is more effective than cardiovascular training alone in getting rid of abdominal fat. 10. You can do resistance training with free weight exercise machine or resistance band. It may also be useful to train from stable position due to increased muscle activity. Reduce calorie consumption. Une less you restrict calorie intake, you on lose belly fat. Treat the type. Remember that it take a 3500 calorie deficit to lose 1 pound of fat. Tai, you have to eat a burn of 3500 calories through exercise or at 3500 calories less than you burn in a week. And to lose a maximum of 2 pounds per week. Losing en important can be healthy en lead to a cycle of crash dieting, in which you rapidly gain back on lost weight. Keep a food diary. Most people tend to underestimate how much they eat. Get honest assessment of your eating habit everything done everything you consume for a week. Utilise un online calorie calculator, and figure out truly how many calories you're consuming in a day. From there, so why you can afford to q. Try a day in which you consume 2200 calories, men, or 2000 calories, or men, per day. This should cause a deficit sufficient for you to lose 1 or 2 pounds per week, depending on your activity level. Yet go fat. Study suggest that a with a high ratio of monounsaturated fat like avocado, nut, seed, soybean, en chocolat, can prevent accumulation of belly fat. Trans fat, in margarine, cracker, cookie, or anything made with partially hydrogenated oil, seem to result in more fat being deposited in abdomen. Avoid the much possible. Get more fiber in your diet. Soluble fiber, suchata found in apple, at, en cherry, lower insulin level which can speed up the burning of visceral belly fat. Add fiber to your diet slowly. If you are currently getting this g of fiber a day, don't jump to 35 g of fiber the next day. The natural bacteria in your digestive system require time to adapt to your new fiber intake. Yet the skin on your fruits and vegetables. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet fiber, but only if you eat the skin, at or most of the fiber. Don't pelt those apples before you eat them. With potato, leave the skin on, with baked or mashed potato, or if you pelt them, make a snack of them, such baked garlic parmesan peel. Keeping the skin on potato when cooking them help keep more vitamin bar oblique mineral in the flesh, just don't eat an par of skin are green. Eat more splipsu. Splippy are a fiber poe food. Just 1 cup of them contains 16.3 g of protein. Calculate your waist to hip ratio. Your waist to hip ratio, or the circumference of your waist divided by the circumference of your hip, can be a good indicator of weight you need to lose belly fat. Draw to get it. Vra a soft tap measure around the thinnest part of your waist at level of your navel. Note the measurement. Vra the tap measure around the widest part of your hip, or you can feel a bone hip protrusion about 3 of the way from the top of the bone. Note the measurement. Divide your waist measurement by your hip measurement. Knoa healthy. Men should have a ratio of 0.8 or below, men should be a 0.9 or low. Continue taking your measurement as you progress. After incorporating some of the above strategy, keep measuring so you can see your progress. Weigh yourself at some time a day. because body weight fluctuate depending on the time of day, when you last at or when you last at a bowel movement, standardized process by weighing yourself at some time a day. Manipulate close to dot it first thing in the morning, before breakfast. Join force with a friend. Trying to lose weight with a partner can help you stay accountable for your action, while giving you an extra incentive to keep exercise appointment. Share your victory to GT, en discuss solution to whatever would block you en quantité. Understand risk associated with belly fat. Losing belly fat 2 and have to be solely a cosmetic goal, understanding that health tissue linked with belly fat can help motivate you. Belly fat linked with cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. Specifically it the best layer of belly fat, the fat you can so grab, that pose health risk. Because the visceral fat cell actually produce hormone and substance that can affect your health, EG1Z insulin resistance and / or breast cancer risk. The fact that visceral fat cell are located right next to and in between organ in your abdominal cavity 2 and 1. For example, fat next to the liver drain into it, causing a fatty liver, which is a risk factor for insulin resistance, setting at stage for type 2 diabetes.